Embrace the bounty of the harvest season with this vibrant autumn kale salad featuring delicata squash. As we transition into fall, it's a wonderful time to support local farmers by shopping for seasonal vegetables. Local produce is not only fresher, but also packed with more nutrients, capturing the true essence of the season. This salad is a celebration of those fresh, local ingredients, offering both nourishment and delicious flavor as we savor the fruits of the harvest. The base of this salad is kale, which is truly a superfood. It's one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can eat, offering an impressive array of vitamins and minerals. A single cup of raw kale provides over 200% of your daily vitamin A and almost 700% of your daily vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. It's also a fantastic source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system, supports healthy skin, and improves iron absorption. Kale is rich in antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, supporting overall health. Plus, its high fiber content aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. This salad makes for a tasty way to incorporate more kale into your diet this autumn. Now, another star in this recipe is delicata squash. This variety of squash is not only sweet and tender, but also loaded with nutrients. Delicata squash is rich in vitamin A, which supports vision, skin health, and immunity. It also contains a healthy dose of vitamin C and fiber, which help with digestion and overall gut health. What I love most about delicata is that it's super easy to prepare. You can eat the skin and even roast it with the seeds, making it a hassle-free addition to your meals. The seeds are also a nutritional goldmine. Just like pumpkin seeds, they're packed with healthy fats, protein, magnesium, zinc, and iron. Roasting them alongside the squash adds a delightful crunch and an extra boost of minerals that support heart health and your immune system. For this recipe, you'll need 1 large bunch of fresh kale, crumbly goat cheese, 1 large delicata squash, 1 medium-sized apple, 1/3 cup olive oil, the juice of 2 lemons, or about 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, salt and pepper to taste, and some extra olive oil for roasting. To start, slice your delicata squash in half, leaving the seeds intact. Then slice it into thin rounds. Place the squash and seeds on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and season with a pinch of salt. Roast at 375 for about 20 minutes or until both the squash and seeds are golden and crispy. Be sure to stir frequently to prevent overbrowning since the squash is sliced so thin. While the squash is roasting, let's prepare the kale. Remove the tough stems, roughly tear the leaves, and sprinkle a generous amount of salt over the kale. Massage the kale for about 2 to 5 minutes to soften it up. This process, along with the salt, helps break down the fibrous texture and makes the kale more tender and easy to digest, while also enhancing its flavor. You'll know when the kale is ready once it becomes soft and shrinks down by about half its size. Next, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, maple syrup, Dijon, black pepper, and salt. Adding mustard to our dressing brings a special benefit to salads with fibrous greens like kale. Mustard seeds contain enzymes that help break down kale, making it easier to digest. That's why this vinaigrette not only tenderizes the kale, but also enhances its flavor, making your salad both more delicious and easier on the digestive system. Now let's prepare the remaining ingredients. Slice or chop your apple into bite-sized pieces to add a touch of sweetness and crispness to the salad. Once your squash is done roasting, it's time to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, add your massaged kale, roasted squash, crispy seeds, thinly sliced apple, and crumbled goat cheese. Drizzle the vinaigrette over top and toss everything together. This autumn kale salad is the perfect dish to enjoy as the weather cools. It's full of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats to keep you nourished through the season. Whether you're serving it as a side or enjoying it as a light meal, it's sure to bring a little autumn comfort to your table.